Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you a really handy tool called Split. This is a view option in Excel, a lot like Freeze Panes, but it gives you even more flexibility when working with large data sets. If you haven't seen my tutorial on Freeze Panes, I definitely recommend watching that after this video because Split is like its more customizable cousin. Let's jump in and take a look at what Split does and how it can help you see your data exactly the way you want to. Step 1. What Split actually does. The Split feature lets you divide your Excel window into 2 or even 4 panes. That means you can scroll different parts of your spreadsheet independently, which is super useful if you want to compare data from different sections, like one part of your sheet at the top and another part way down below. It doesn't change your data at all. It just changes how you view it. Step 2. Example. Setup. Here I've got a spreadsheet with a list of synth-pop and new wave bands, some big names you might know, and a few hidden gems that deserve more attention. Now I'm planning to expand this list with lots more entries, probably thousands of rows of bands, albums, and release years. The problem is, when I scroll down to add new data, I lose sight of the top part of my sheet. That's where the Split tool comes in handy. Step 3. How to split your screen horizontally. Here's how to do it. Click on the row number where you want your screen to split. Then go up to the View tab on the ribbon. In the Window group, click Split. And there we go. Excel has now placed a horizontal split line right above the row I selected. Now notice what happens when I scroll. The bottom part of the sheet moves, but the top part stays in place. That means I can view and work on both sections of my sheet at the same time. This is especially useful if you're managing really long datasets, say 10,000 rows, and you want to keep an eye on summary data while still scrolling through the rest. Step 4. Adjusting or removing the split. If the split isn't in the perfect spot, no problem. You can click and drag the line to move it up or down. And if you want to remove the split altogether, just double-click on the split line. It disappears instantly. Easy. Step 5. Splitting vertically. Now let's look at the other option, splitting the screen vertically. This time, select a column letter. For example, I'll click on column D, then go back to the View tab, and again click Split. Excel now adds a vertical split line to the left of the column you selected. This lets you scroll horizontally, so you can move the right side of your sheet independently from the left. That's perfect if your spreadsheet has a lot of columns, say all the way to column Z or even AA, and you want to compare data from the far right side with columns near the beginning, like A or B, all in one view. Just like before, you can drag the line to reposition it, or double-click to remove it. Step 6. Creating both a vertical and horizontal split. You can even combine both. To do that, click on a specific cell, not just a row or column. Then go to the View tab and click Split again. Now, Excel creates both a vertical and horizontal split at once, dividing your screen into 4 panes. This gives you total control. You can scroll each section separately, up, down, left or right, and compare data from all corners of your sheet. That said, I'll be honest, I don't use this 4-pane view too often, because it can get a little busy. But it's there when you need it, and it can be a lifesaver for massive datasets. Again, to remove the splits, just double-click on any of the dividing lines. Step 7. Key tip to remember. Keep in mind, Split doesn't change your data in any way. It simply changes how you view it. It's perfect for when you're doing data entry, analysis, or reviewing parts of your sheet that are far apart, without constantly scrolling back and forth. And that's how to use the Split View tool in Excel. It's one of those small but powerful features that can make working with big spreadsheets so much easier. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, And I hope this tutorial helped you get a clearer, more flexible view of your data. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and tap the bell icon so you'll know when I post new Excel tips.